Hi, my name is Payel and I'm a beauty blogger. Today I'm going to talk about the skincare products that you can use to get rid of pigmentation in your face. You can find similar kind of solutions in my store at Simsim app. There I share different skincare and beauty related solutions. In Simsim app you can buy all these products while watching the video itself. Now pigmentation means you have different color, 1 or 2 shade darker skin, like in your face, some areas which looks 2-3 shades darker than your normal skin. Now I do have pigmentation near my mouth, and I used to have too much pigmentation under my eyes and near my nose, but the pigmentation near my mouth is still there. Couple of years back I used to have a lot of pigmentation, and I started using a lot of products which have solved my issue, and sometimes also it comes if I don't follow the skincare routine. So I'm going to show you all the products that are very good to help you get rid of the pigmentation. You may not get rid of the pigmentation totally, but they are going to become lighter if you use these products. So let's move into all the products that is going to help you to get rid of pigmentation. Now for pigmentation, the first thing I want to tell you, drink lots of water, because the doctor prescribes always to drink lots of water, which is very good for health, and eat darker vegetables which will help you to get rid of pigmentation. Now if you have pigmentation in your face, the first thing I would like to tell you, like to skip a face wash. Face wash is a little bit harsh and makes your face dry. The pigmentation most of the times comes because you have drier areas, and those drier areas becomes more darker. Instead of a face wash, you can use a cleansing milk. So you can use this cleansing milk. This is the Plum Hello Aloe Gentle Cleansing Lotion. I have been using for last 2-3 years, and I have got good results with this. So it is a very good product, and it is also very gentle. I don't feel burning sensation. In any case, if any of the products, if you feel like it is burning, you have burning sensation in your face, that means that product is not good for you. So yeah, this is a very good product. You need to take a little bit of the product and very gently massage it in all over your face. Similar kind of cleansing milk you can use this one also. This is a VLCC Sandal Cleansing Milk, normal to dry skin, deep cleanses and soothe the skin. So you can use either of this product, whatever is available. So yeah, both of them are very good, very gentle. You don't feel any burning sensation or anything in your face. I would suggest instead of a face wash, use any of this cleansing milk. And also after using the cleansing milk, you don't have to wash your face. You can use a wet towel and wipe off your face. Now since these products are cream based, it does not make your face dry, rather than makes your face moist and moisturized. The cleansing milk you should use twice a day, once in the morning, once in the night. Now after cleansing, in certain days, once in a week, you can use a scrub. So you can use this Himalaya Herbals Gentle Exfoliating Walnut Scrub with natural antioxidant. It is very liquidy, so you can use this on all over your face. Make sure you don't scrub more near the areas wherever you have pigmentation, they may burn, but yeah, you can use this to remove the dirt you have in your face. Instead of a soap or face wash, I would suggest you to use this kind of which is a cream based scrub, which will clean off your face. All the dirt it will remove. Instead of a soap, you can use this to clean off your dirt in your face. So after cleansing milk, you have to use a toner. So I would suggest you to use this Plum Hello Aloe Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is alcohol free. Like if you have sensitive skin and you have pigmentation, so your face does not feel good with an alcohol based toner, because alcohol sometimes feels like a burning sensation. So you can use this toner. This is a green tea based and alcohol free, so it is very good for acne prone skin, and also it is going to tighten up your pores. Take a little bit of the toner in a cotton pad and dab it on all over your face, and wait for some time till the toner dries on your face. Now to moisturize the pigmentation area, I would suggest you to use a eye cream. So I have used this eye cream. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E eye cream for all skin types. I have used it for a long time, and yeah, it instantly moisturizes the areas wherever I have pigmentation, and that's how it helps to lighten up the pigmented area. So yeah, you need to take a pea size of the product and apply it on the areas wherever you have pigmentation. I do have pigmentation near my mouth, under my eyes, and also near my nose I have pigmentation, so I like to take a pea size amount of the product and apply it on all those areas. And this cream has hyaluronic acid which helps in healing. You can use this cream or you can use this cream also. This is the Body Shop Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Eye Cream Gel. Now this is a gel based cream and this is a cream based. Both of them are very good. You can use either of them. Make sure to use this twice a day, morning and before going to bed. Now to further moisturize rest of your face, you can use either of this product. This is the Lotus Herbal Nutra Moist Skin Renewal Daily Moisturizing Cream. I have used this for a long time, so it is a very good lightweight cream which immediately moisturizes my skin. You need to make sure you take a little bit of the product. If you take a lot of product, then it may feel very oily. Now you can go from Body Shop also. I have used this one also. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream for all skin type. This is also very good. This product is also very thick. You need very little bit of the product and apply it on all over your face. Now this product comes in day cream and night cream also. So these all products you can use to moisturize your face. Most of the time the pigmentation happens, like whatever I found for my case is because of the skin becoming dry and sensitive. So I just keep any face wash. I use face wash once in a week or something like that, but on regular basis I like to use a cleansing milk which is very gentle. And also I make sure to moisturize my face. In certain days I like to moisturize in my face 2 to 3 times also, whenever I find like my skin feels very dry. So to get rid of pigmentation, you have to make sure you moisturize your skin. If you moisturize your skin also, your skin is going to glow and it is going to be healthy and you are going to look younger, and this way you can get rid of all the pigmentation you have in your face. Now if certain day if you skip any of the steps, pigmentation may come back, but you have to make sure you always take care of these products and apply it for your skin. So this is how I got rid of my pigmentation using this product. So I hope you find this video helpful. I'll share the link of my store at Simsim app in the description box below. This app is available in both Hindi and English. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you later. Bye for now.